Well, hi. Good evening. This is Marlene, and I'm with Dixie Quilters, and we're gonna do some more openings for the Advent Box B with soft squares. So this is a spoiler. If you haven't opened yours and you're waiting for the day to open them, don't watch this, but otherwise enjoy it with me. I couldn't wait. I opened up last night, number 6. And it's one of these spool controllers. And I've used them before when I borrowed one. So now I'll have my own. Thank you. Thank you, Lynn. Okay, and with that came a lint brush, lint roller. Because I'm sure if you're like me, you have little strings all over you, little threads everywhere. And your friends say, oh, you've been quilting again? Okay, number 7. Let's look at that one. See, pretty. Oh boy. Advent Box B, number 7. Charm packs are super versatile and a great tool. Who doesn't love 42 pieces of pretty fabric all in one place? And it does mention that coordinating fabrics for Moonchild are available at Soft Squares. Let's look at it. You know, some of the sites, they'd say, oh, we don't want to take the label off of them because it'll make them all messy. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. We have the beautiful lavendery purples with peaches. Oh, and there's constellations in the fabric. Look at that. Now I like that. That's pretty. And some stars and pale lavender moons. See the stars. And then it goes into the peaches. Lovely. I think those are butterflies. And they have a little hint of gold on them too, a little tiny bit of glitter. Okay, some more stars in another colorway. More moons. And now some lovely flowers, peach and lavender. And some moons, some more different kinds of moons. These are very nice. Look at that, lavender moons. Now we're getting into more of a golden color. Isn't that pretty? This is gonna be really nice. Oh, and some of the mustard color. That certainly has been popular this year. And then some navy blue to set it off. And the whole colorway grouping in blues. That is beautiful. I like those. Now see, I'll just put them back in the little bag and call it good. So that's Moonchild by Riley Blake. Okay, so, and then, then it comes with an Omni Rack Mini. And I believe those are for, you can put things to stand up in it, or, well, other tools, you know, especially your rulers. I always have 3 or 4 different ones out when I'm working on a project, it seems like. And they could all be there instead of all stuck together under the fabric somewhere. Okay, so that is package number 7. Should we keep going? I can't resist. Okay, number 8. 8 it is. And this is with the Soft Squares Box B, 25-day Advent calendar. Advent box. And this is a book. Oh, it's one of the Annie books. Have you had those before? I think I've got a couple in my bookshelf. Fun with fat quarter. You know, recently I've been picking up bundles of fat quarters when I've been going to these live sales on YouTube. And this may come in handy. I could use those bundles. I don't know what I was thinking, but I have a number of them now. And they're very pretty, but you know, got to have an idea what to do with them. Now, see, this one looks good because all the different pieces are... well, gotta have the same for the background, but all the rest of these could be individual colors. This one's lovely. Again, that's the Annie's book number 11. No, book for fun fat quarter quilts for spring with the 11 projects. Okay, so that was number 8. Oh, wait a minute, there's one more thing in here. A non-slip, multi-size, curved corner cutter. I've never seen one of these before. Have you used these? I suppose it would be to make consistently shaped corners. I haven't had a pattern that called for that yet. I guess we'll have to find one. Okay, how are we doing? Can you put down in the comments which one you like so far? I know which one's my favorite. For tonight, I think it's the Annie's book. No, I think it's the Moon Child. I keep want to say Moon Shadow, you know, that song. Okay, number 9. Now, see, I have not opened this one, so we'll have to open it together. Okay, fusible fleece. Does that make you think we have a project coming up with need of fusible fleece? Here's the message that came with it. Day number 9, the fusible fleece will come in handy. Hold on to it for future projects. What will you do with it? Well, I'll hang on to it for a future project. Haha. Okay, we'll put that over there. Now this was a cute packaging with a snowman. At first I thought they were pumpkins, but they are snowmen. Okay, next. Number 10 for the bee box. Again, this is Dixie Quilters, and please push the like and subscribe. Oh, look! It's another one of the containers that go in the big container we got on day 5. And here we are at day 10. This keychain. Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? And a pair of fuzzy socks. It's that time of year when we need fuzzy socks for sure. Lovely. Thank you, Lynn. So that would be number 10. Let's keep going. I don't have number 11. I guess we're going to skip over number 11 and go to number 12. We'll catch number 11 on the next one. Look at that. Isn't that cute? A little wagon. Oh, this is fun. Let's see. Nothing in there. There's 10. Number 12. Who doesn't love a quilter? And we need a bag or two, and these are great for retreats also. So we got 2 little notes. I'll wonder if there's 2 bags here. Oh, look at this. Upside down. Quilting is my therapy. Ha! That is so cute. It reminds me of my t-shirt. It says, I need a little bit of quilting, and then at the bottom it says, and a whole lot of Jesus. Yay. Okay, so now let's see what this bag says. Quilting is my therapy, again. Very cute. Now, if I don't use these for myself, I have a bunch of quilty friends that this would work out great for regifting. Okay, number 13, and that's all for this video. It's soft. Wonder if that's fleece, huh? No, I think it's more fabric. Let's see. Oh, isn't that pretty? Well, we'll put it back together later. Oh, wow. They're hearts, I think. Can you see the design? And it's a lovely green. I like green. And a lovely raspberry. Not a red, truly a raspberry. Oh, look at that. I like. I'm sort of drawn to paisleys, and that's sort of leaning towards paisley. And this one is like little scenes from London. You have the cabs, the taxi cabs, the Parliament and Big Ben, and the giant carnival at the park. So this is for your traveler. And then a lovely tonal that really goes nice with that first one. Because it's pale blue, but it also has greens in it, just like this one. It might be hard to see. Oh, here's some more of it, more defined. See? Okay, Lynn and Mr. Fix-It. These are fabulous. I'm so happy that I invested in my own Christmas present. Okay, and that was number 13. Our next one, we'll go from there. I think we'll do like 14 to 20. Thank you, and see you next time on Dixie Quilters. Okay, bye.